Hi, today we are changing the LCD screen for laptop HP EliteBook 840G1. This is the screen I have ordered from laptopscreen.com, which I have received, and today I am going to start my project of changing the screen of the laptop. So this is the laptop well connected the way it should be actually. So firstly take out the power so that there is no possibility of fuse or anything. Close the laptop and let me show you like what is the condition of the screen. So here it is. This spot clearly indicates that it is broken. So close the laptop, unlock the back, size it, open, take the battery out. No possibility of any charge remaining inside the laptop capacitors or something like that. And so back onto this. Before you need to start taking opening the laptop, what is to be done is from here like make an insertion and take the silver part away from the hinge, and same thing on this side. Once that is done, then you can, what you have to do is put the screwdriver inside and take it up. And the same thing has to be done on this side. Take this up. Once that is done, slowly pull the sleeve on the top of the screen. It will come off very easily because it's a push and fix lock on it. And once this is done, now the tricky part starts. How to get the hinges off. And this comes off. Once this is being taken, this is our screen. These are the 4 screws which are required to be unscrewed in order to take the laptop screen out. Before that, just hold the button of power for 10 minutes. In case if there is any charge left in the capacitor, it will get drained. That is it. And the final screw. Before I take out the screen, I just want to let you know, because I did this mistake when I was trying to just check the connector and all. Next to the screws, there are like grooves on which this metal shielding will come. Because when I was reassembling it, I just put it on the side. That was a mistake, and was putting the screw from on this hole. comes. The only thing that connects to the LCD screen is this particular connector. So, and this is stick with a tape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use screwdriver. You can use any sharp thing to get it off. And that's how. And it comes off. Here goes my old screen. Now the time to get it out from the box. Going through nice packing. These guys did a great job. They packed it in the priority bubble sheet. And here comes the screen. And I reuse the tape, which okay, there is some of the stuff which is being bent. I don't know whether it is going to be an issue or not. I'm trying to get it straightened up. So good, it is exactly fitting on the top of it. Now where are my screws? They are on my cell phone screen. I will take them one by one. I put it down there because of the light. Everything here, like the desk color is dark. I didn't want it to lose the screws. Let me do this way. That will be more easier. It's always a good trick in case if your screw is not getting into the hole like straight, just rotate it in unscrew direction and then after just screw it. Then it gets straight and gets screwed easily. I am concerned about this one because it is still showing it is slightly bent. But let's see. Voila, it went on. Okay, looks like I'm making a fast progress, and before I close the top shielding of it, I'll just make a test to start it and check if the screen is working okay. Perfect, no black spot or anything, no line or anything. So it's time to finally pack it up and complete the project. This will go into trash. So here it is. Oh, important part, forgotten. I'm taking off the protective shield. This is important. Okay. And with gentle hand, just keep pressing. And now the last part is to make it go inside this, the gray one. And just make sure, like on the bottom of the screen, it is having the proper contact. Like here, I still have to push. I'm getting a bit concerned before like doing it, because that might again crack the screen. Oh, that's a cheat. Close the lid and then push it like this. From what I did is I put a screwdriver and just pressed like this. That went in. Now my laptop is fixed, and kind of I'm doing one missing one thing is now the battery is also inserted. Now the screen is installed. Voila, the project is over. It is installed successfully. Thank you. And if you like the video, please like it on YouTube. And if you have any comments, please send me your comments. Thanks a lot. Bye bye and have a good night.